All right, gang. This is live right now. I'm not exactly sure of the time it is right now. Honey, what time you got? 2:45. Okay. So sun is over that way, west. I'm currently facing north. This is a south-facing garden. Okay, the front of it is south-facing. So east is over there. Anyway, I'll take you guys in because I was talking about the tomatoes and I just cleared my phone of 2025 to create more space for some stuff that I'm trying to edit. But yeah, it's just a wild time in here. I want to show you guys something in particular. This is a male producing plant. It started off that way, but then it rooted down far enough so that it could become a female. But it has these kind of, what are they called? They're called Siamese tomatoes. And it's so cool, man. I've never seen it. But then it also has these regular, tomatoes. So that's our smallest plant. And henceforth, I put it in the front of everything, based off of where the sun is. But, okay, so let's walk through. You can kind of just see everything. I'm going to walk through here. And there are tomatoes everywhere. Literally everywhere, guys. I mean, just look, tune your eye. And you can see that there are tomatoes literally everywhere. Okay, all up. And so imagine that times 14 plants, right? Imagine that, guys, times 14 plants is what we're dealing with here. So I'm gonna go underneath real quick. I'm going underneath the trellis here. Okay, we're gonna go to the back. As you can see, lots going on. Lots, but tomatoes everywhere, guys. I mean, so I have got this down packed. There's nothing else that I really need to do, guys. I haven't watered these in about 3 weeks. Haven't really had to. That morning dew has just risen so well every morning. So tomatoes are everywhere. I was telling the Mont there's probably gonna be, let's go over to the right some more while I have 20 seconds. There's probably going to be at least 1,500 at the end of everything, at the end of the life cycle. And you grow tomatoes all the way up until the plant just kind of dries up and pretty much is ready to fall over. And they all ripen that way. So, guys. So this is the tomato forest for sure. And they're taller than me now, these plants. Those ones in the back are definitely taller than me. And some of these standing straight up are taller than me too, that one back there. Anyway, guys, I could go on and on and on and on and on and on. They're just in clusters, they're everywhere. And they're growing big. So that's why I quit my job, because I know how to do this, and I'm gonna make something out of this. I'm gonna make some real money out of this. I mean it. All right.